Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to unban Litmatch account. So in order for us to get this done, you should be receiving this kind of message here saying that your account has been banned. Now if you think that you have done nothing wrong in order for your account to be banned, you can just go ahead and email this one right here. This is lit_ph@litatom.com. So once you have done that one, you are going to email your ban ID to a customer service, and then you're going to go ahead and tell what have you done recently, and if you think that you have done nothing wrong, go ahead and include it there. So yep, that's the first option. And then the second and most straightforward option is that you are just going to pay this 100 diamonds. So as you can see down below, there is an option here to pay 100 diamonds in order to unban it right now. So that's the easiest one. However, it's going to cost you some money. Yeah, so then again, if you have done nothing wrong, I suggest that you are just going to contact customer service, and then one customer service or agent is going to handle your problem. So yep, that is how you are going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.